progress has been made. Got cut out the reversing part of the module. Dremel worked well for cutting this curved area out. I have it supported on pieces of wood. Put in some additional cross bracing underneath to support the open frame. I've started to lay the track now, cork and flex track on top. So I need to complete the cork laying, and then we can try out the reverse module, make sure the grades are okay for a train to run up. I think I have exceeded the 2% grade. I can tell from here where the foam is. It suddenly inclines a lot greater. I forgot that the 2% grade would have ended here at 1.5 inches above the layout, and I'm now a full 2 inches to 2.5 inches above the bottom baseboard, so I've actually increased this to almost a 5% grade, which could be a problem. Well, this, as they say, is the moment of truth. We're going to apply the power. And see what happens. Okay. Up the ramp. Now, I haven't actually connected this bit of track together, so we'll have to do that and see how it goes to come round this section. But we'll back this down and we'll try the other ramp later, once I got that piece of track connected. And that's without any dropper wires currently on the reversing module. There's dropper wires all the way to here, up to the baseboard join. This is the last stop here. Here's the baseboard join. No dropper wires up that section yet. That's also on the to-do list. Lay a bus and do the dropper wires. And this section here, isolated here, I will install another set of isolation joiners here, and this one will be on the reversing module. It's right over pickups. Track must need cleaning. Give it a little nudge. Not quite sure what that's all about then. Dead. But the connection is back down here, so it appears that my dropper wires aren't working properly. So hit the isolated piece of track. So if I go to the controller, reverse direction, we should carry on our merry way. So I'll have to find out why the droppers here aren't working. Oh, Problem found, I didn't plug the two modules into each other, so that'll explain it. So it was trying to carry all of the current through these fish plates here, so no problemo. So here's the test run. So this is the lesser of the two inclines. A little bit of wheel spin there, and this is with no carriages, so it's possible I'll have to maybe double head up the hill there. Alright, we're coming down, there's the isolated section, so we just hit that. So if I put the controller into reverse now and activate this section, we should keep going on our merry way. Might need a bit of track cleaning there. And we completed our journey. So that's that one. Now if I pick the train up, turn it around and head it back up the incline the other way. This one's a bit steeper, so let's see whether we got enough oomph to get up and over that. It's part of the incline, no problem. We hit our isolation switch, change the direction, and this is the bit that I'm a little bit worried about, is a little bit of wheel spin. Oh, a little bit of a derailment actually. I mean, that was my fault. And away she goes. And I'm thinking that down this part should obviously be no problem. So we'll declare that a success. I'll hook up my DCC reversing module here. Right now I'm on DC power, so yeah, and then we'll do it. So we've got the open frame going on here. That'll build up the town. Well, it's not a town scene, it'd be a half country scene in this direction, and then we've got the whole industrial section. So now that I know this works, I can lay this upper branch line here. I'm thinking about actually putting a station along this section. I'm worried about how wide the platform would be, and then then I've got the backdrop. So maybe I'll just leave it as a scenic terrace. So I can get this laid this week all the way to the end there, and I can continue the main line along the front of this board. Once I've got that, I've got all of the track pieces to be able to do the industrial sidings here. I just need to get some more cork underlay for doing that, and then I can have the joy of ballasting and scenicking. Okay, so DCC with a reverse loop module installed. A little bit of struggle up the hill. Otherwise, no problem. This is the steeper hill. A little struggle at the very top. seems like we could have no problem. And we'll just come around the inner loop this time. And we can declare that success.